Hello friends, welcome back to my channel, that is Technical Knowledge with this Swapnil, and today I will show you one more important video related to the KNIME. I have already started. If you are new to my channel, I have created a separate playlist for the KNIME. Those who are interested in KNIME, they can watch my KNIME series. Okay, and today's topic is let's say if you have data near about 20,000 rows or more than that, like lakhs of data, and if you want to filter out particular a row or particular project or something, if you have any particular criteria, then how you can filter out which particular node you can use so that you will get that particular row. So there if you see, I will make uh, okay I will okay so if you see over here, in a node section we have multiple nodes available. Okay, so to filter out particular row, what you have to do is you can use row filter. Okay, from here you can use a row filter. You have to just connect to this particular node. Okay, and you have to just click on setting to make the criteria. Let's say before that, what we will do is, we have near about 18,484 data, and I want to filter out this is related to customer retail database, and I have multiple keys also, right? So I want to filter out data, say for this particular 968. So customer key 11967. So what I will do is I will click on select, add a criteria. I will select the column which is a customer key, and it should be, there are different operators: equal to, does not equal to, less than, greater than. Okay, so in my case I have to select that particular customer key only, so I will paste that particular key and click on OK. Now if I play this, I will get that particular row which is 11967. Okay, and this particular row is filtered out. So this is how you can use a row filter to filter out particular rows in your database or in your AXE or CSV files. Thank you. If you like my content, then do like, share and subscribe to my channel.